What if I tell you that the way you think is secretly blocking you from everything that you want? Your dream job, your soulmate, your perfect life, it's all there. But you might be the one stopping it. The difference? Manifestation. But not the way you think. I just read a book that changed how I see manifestation forever. And if you think that manifestation is just sitting around thinking positive and waiting things to happen, you have been lied to. This book reveals 7 exact steps that make manifestation actually work. Stick with me till the end because step 4 is where most people fail. And that's why their manifestation doesn't work. Minimalistic, golden letters, sleek vibes, it already looks like it has its life together. And I love the tagline, 7 steps to living your best life. So what's inside? It's not about wishful thinking, it's not just about positive vibes, it's about changing your thoughts, energy and your actions. Sounds good so far? So let's see if it actually delivers. Feels like a best friend giving you a motivational pep talk. Super easy to read, no complicated jargon, straight up advice. Short chapters and practical exercises. Digestible and actionable. The best line that hit me: you don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe you deserve. If that doesn't make you rethink your mindset, I don't know what will. This book is a smooth talker. It hypes you up but also calls you out on your excuses. Be clear in your vision. If you don't know exactly what you want, how will the universe help? Remove fear and doubts. Your self-doubt is blocking your manifestation. Align your behavior. Act like a person who already has what you want. Step 4, the most important one. Whenever you manifest something, life will test you to see if you are ready. Most people fail here. If you want more good things, start appreciating what you already have. Instead of being jealous, see it as a proof that what you want is possible. You can't control how and when things happen. Just do your part and trust. Manifestation is not magic. It is a mix of mindset, actions and patience. No book is perfect. Here's what might make you go, So these are some few red flags of this book. Repetitive at times. A few ideas get re-explained a little too much. Might be too whoa for skeptics. If you don't believe in energy, that might not click. No deep science-backed studies, more spiritual, less research heavy. If you need a hardcore scientific evidence, this might feel too mystical. But if you love self-growth, mindset shift and a structured approach to manifestation, it's a yes. If you want a step-by-step guide to manifesting that actually requires action, then swipe right. If you need a mindset shift and a clear path to success, swipe right. If you roll your eyes at trusting the universe, you might ghost this one. If you feel stuck in life and don't know why, if you need practical steps and not just vague advice, and if you're tired of overthinking and want to take action. This book is like a super successful friend who hypes you up but also tells you to stop making excuses. Now you know the real way to manifest your dream life, but knowledge without action is just useless. So here's what I want you all to do. Write one thing you're manifesting in the comment section below. I'll be replying to everyone. Now you know how to manifest. But what if I tell you there's a way to do it faster? In my next video, I'll be telling about the missing ingredient that no one talks about. This changes everything. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'll see you there.